Hello, my name is Gustavo Romero, and today we're gonna make Salsa Taquera. This is the salsa that you will find in most street taco establishments in Mexico, and it's a mixture of a boil, frying, and emulsification techniques. We're gonna start boiling our tomatillos, and we're gonna boil them until they change in color to almost like a pale yellow. So we're just gonna throw our tomatillos in some hot water and put them to boil. We're gonna chop our onion. We're gonna add the oil. We're gonna add our garlic and onion. We're gonna let it get hot, and then we're gonna throw our chiles. Chile de árbol, very, very spicy. So it doesn't need that much. You wanna get some of the flavor into the oil, and then as it start bubbling, we're gonna lower the heat. That prevents the oil from jumping and the garlic and the chiles from burning. And we're gonna let it cook until the garlic is soft but crispy. The onion is a little translucent, and then the chile has a really nice dark color. All right, so this is what we want. We want the garlic to be nice and crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Our chiles are a little bit of the darker color, brown, no black. And our onions are nice and crispy and then translucent, so they're ready to go. All right, we're gonna start taking all our stuff out of the oil, put it into the blender. Our onion, our garlic, our chile de árbol. We're gonna set our oil aside because we're gonna use it for the emulsification. We're gonna remove our tomatillos. They're nice and yellow, but they're still whole. All right, we're gonna start in a low speed. We're gonna season it. And as I start mixing, we're gonna start adding the same oil that we use to cook the onions and the chiles. And then we have our Salsa Taquera. This is gonna be really hot, both in temperature and spice. You get some of the roasted garlic and the onion, and it's just a really complex flavor. Not offensive, well balanced, just delicious salsa.